Hello friends, a very good morning to one and all. Today I am going to present to you the power of words. The power of words. Do you believe that the word has got power? I do believe. Let's see how the word works. The words have power. It has the power to change the world. Their meaning crystallizes perceptions that shape our beliefs, drive our behavior, and ultimately create our world. The words have the power to build or to destroy, heal or hurt, unite or divide. They are sang, written, screamed, and felt. They become silence with a meaningful thought. They make you think, ask, and dream. They tell stories that never happened and form dreams that will. The words are your voice, your power to change the world. Their power arises from our emotional responses when we read, speak, or hear them. Just say the word fire in a crowded place, in a workplace, or in a crowded theater, and you will find how different people react to the word fire. And here is a short video which will tell us the power of a single word uttered without thinking.
Well, she doesn't care, does she?
So, I hope you understood the video. How many balloons have you broken today? A single word or a slight feeling that we have towards others can hurt or heal, unite or divide. So, take care that we do not break balloons of happiness of others. And today, let me tell you a few things which will help us to check on our words. Okay? The first thing is making our words work. In order to make our words work, we need to consciously control power of words for your benefit. Start with the ones you are using. Use always positive words. Avoid the negative ones. The second one, no name calling or self-criticism. Everyone is doing the best they can at any moment in time with the consciousness they have to work with, including you. Be kind and offer yourself the same empathy and compassion you would extend to anyone else. The third, stop all self-depreciation. Never make your body or something you have accomplished or anything else in your life the butt of a joke. Words have the power, and quantum energy doesn't have a sense of humor. Resist gossiping and speaking ill of others. It's impossible for your words to resonate in anyone else's body but your own. The words which you speak will have effect on yourself, not on others. So be careful. The fifth one, go on a negativity diet. Instead of saying that a meal was terrible, say, I have had better. You have basically said that you wanted to say without putting negative energy through your body. You even used a positive word to do it. I have had better. And the sixth one, boost the positive energy of words. Instead of saying something like you had a good time at a concert, ramp up the positive energy by saying great, terrific, or fantastic instead. These feel much better and generate a bigger energetic response in the body. And the seventh one, if you have some negative friends in your circle of friends, limit the time you spend with them or find better friends. Negative energy has a way of dragging everything surrounding it in like a big black hole. Avoid it when you can. And the eighth one, surround yourself with positive, uplifting words. Put affirmations on sticky notes around your home and office and that say wonderful things about you and your family. Wear clothes that have positive messages or phrases on them. When you're wearing positivity all day long, you will automatically be a person filled with positivity. As you keep doing these things, you use the power of repetition in a highly effective way for your benefit. You have the power to change your world, and using words consciously is one of the quickest ways to shift the energy you bring into your life. Words are extremely powerful tools that we can use to uplift our personal energy and improve our lives. Though we are often not conscious of the words we speak, read, and expose ourselves to. Yes, even the words of others can easily affect our personal vibration. Spend a few minutes with a chronic complainer who uses all sorts of negative terms, and you will feel your personal energy bottom out. Words have great power, the power to change you and the others, to change the world. So, dear friends, choose words and your friends wisely. God bless you all. Have a great and wonderful day ahead of you. Thank you.